Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsin Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Today I want to talk about something really serious. Recently in the UK, a court made a big decision, sending five people to jail for being involved in violent protest. This situation shows how quickly things can go wrong when people let anger and hate take control. Let's talk a closer look and what happened and why it's so important. Today's my video topic and video's title is why the UK court's decision on violent protest matters. Let's start the video. Recently in the UK, there was a big court case where five people were sent to the jail because they took a part in violent protest. One of these people was a 53-year-old woman. Her story got a lot of attention because during the protest, she posted something very dangerous online platform. She said that she wanted to blow up a mosque. It's a really danger post because of this scenario. This was a very serious threat, and because of it, the court gave her 15 months of prison. After she was sentenced, she explains that she was very angry, and she wrote this post because she said that she did not actually want to hurt anyone, but was just reacting to her anger at the time. She admitted that what she did was totally wrong and that she regretted it. This situation really shows how dangerous it can be. It can be let your anger take over, especially on social media. In the heat of the moment, people can say things and that they don't mean, but can cause a lot of fear and make things worse for everyone. This woman was not the only one punished. There was two other men also involved. The first one is Connor Watley and the second one is Trevor Lloyd, who were also involved in the protest as well. Both of them were encouraging more violence, trying to get others to join in the cause. Because of this court gave them their 3 years in the prison. They were not just standing by watching, they were actively making things loose. Uh, Now they talking about the another man involved was Glenn Guest, who is 60 years old. He was given 2 years and 8 months in prison because during the protest he grabbed and dragged a police officer. It's a very crucial condition. This is very serious because police officers are there to keep everyone safe. And when people attack them, it only makes the situation more dangerous. This case is not just about these five peoples, though it points to a much bigger issue that becoming more common. Hate and violence tied to race and religion. She seems like we were seeing more of this around and the world, and it's getting worse, especially with the power of social media nowadays. What happened with that woman's post is a good example. It's I don't think so. Anyway, it was not just her own anger that was a problem. That was a problem. Her words added to the hatred and made people even more scared. Now the big question is, how do we stop this from happening again? It's really a question mark. Sure, sending people to jail it's important because it shows that there are consequences consequences for these actions, but this happens after the damage is already done. We need to focus on preventing things from getting this bad in the first place. We need to help people handle their anger in better ways so they don't turn to hate for or violence again. In the UK, the police are working hard to stop hate crimes, but it's not just their job. It's something we all need to work on together. Schools need to teach about the dangers of hate and how to deal with emotions in a healthy way. Communities need to come together and support one another, and even social media companies need to do more to stop the spread of dangerous posts before they cause harm. What this case really shows is how easily people can get swept up in the moment of anger and make choices that they deeply regret later. These people were not born criminals. Absolutely, they were not born criminals. They are regular people who made bad decisions in a moment of rage, but those decisions come with real consequences that can affect the rest of their lives. It's a question mark. As a society, what we need to as a society we need, yeah, I need to the better. As a society, we need to do better and recognize the warning signs before things spiral out of control. It's not just about punishing people after they have done something wrong, it's about stopping the anger from turning into a hate and violence in the first place. Sorry. We need to help people manage their feelings in a way that does not lead to harm. In the end, this while situation whole in the sorry in the end this whole the situation is a powerful reminder that our words and actions have a lot of power. They can either help to bring peace or they can make things loose. It's up to all of us to try and make the world a more peaceful and understanding place. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I also post horror stories that you can relax to stay tuned for more of that. I am Mohsin Ali from Global Scope News and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.